Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to another new exciting video. Finally, Qwen3 Coder has published another new version and its name is Qwen3 Coder Flash. Basically, its size is only 30 billion and I have also tried this model locally. Here you see that I have got this kind of output. This is cool, right? And also I have tried it on their official website chat.qwen.ai and I have got this kind of output from this small model, and this is very much cool. And if you see that Qwen3 also had published another new version of 480 billion previously 2 to 3 days ago, but that model size was very huge. It is not possible for a small laptop to install this model and try. So that's why they have published this new 30 billion model, which is easily possible to install in your laptop or desktop. And I have already installed it and I have tried it through this client and Olama integration. Here you see that Olama, and this model is Qwen3 Coder 30 billion, and I have got this kind of output. Here you see. And another interesting thing is that I have taken this design from this dribble.com from this person. This is free, and I have extracted this design.json, and here you see this is the design.json that I have extracted from this image, and I asked this client that from this design.json make this website using HTML, CSS and JS, and this is the final output that you see. Now why this model is preferable, and let me show you. Here you see that just lightning fast accurate code generation, and it has also this 256k context window, and you can easily expand it to 1 million tokens, and optimize for platforms like Qwen3 and client, RuCode, KiloCode, etc. Seamless function calling and agent workflows, and this is very much important. If you are trying this function calling or agentic workflows with any model, then that model should be capable enough to give the best output. And also you see that Qwen3 Coder is specifically for the coding, so that's why you will get the best output obviously. Okay. And another interesting thing is that if you go to their platform, this chat.qwen.ai, and it is free. Okay, so if you click on this drop down, here you see that this is the model Qwen3 Coder Flash, just lightning fast and accurate code generation. Okay, so select this model and give any input. After selecting this model from this drop down, make sure you have selected this artifact. If you select this artifact, then you will get this kind of preview option. Okay, so this kind of preview option you will get, and here you see that here in this chat.qwen.ai, after generating this kind of UI, you will get automatic deploy option. So it will be available to share with anyone, with your friends, or if you want to attach it in your resume, you can do that. Okay, so here you see that I have opened it, and in this way you can share it. Okay, one thing is that when I got the first output, it was like this, means it was overlapping with the header, but after doing some correction, means I asked this model that please correct it, it is getting overlapped, and the final output is this from this official chat.qwen.ai. But the interesting thing is that when I did the same thing with this VS Code and Olama plus client integration, and then in one go I got this kind of output. Here you see I got this kind of output, and this is looking very cool. Okay, and so you can understand that how much capability or how much potential this model has. And if you go to their Hugging Face repository, here you see Qwen3 Coder 30 billion, and they have written these things that significant performance among the open models on agentic coding, agentic browser use, and other foundational coding tasks, long context capabilities 256k, and it is huge, agentic coding support for most platform. And they have given this benchmark comparison. Here you see this Qwen3 Coder 30 billion, and this is a Qwen3 Coder 480 billion. Okay, so this 30 billion and 80 billion, if you see the difference, there is not that much difference, means 10 to 12 kind of difference. So on this terminal bench there is a difference of 6, on this SWE bench there is a difference of 6, here it is 20, here it is 26, and so 10 to 15 difference between this 30 billion and 480 billion. And the interesting thing is that on some of the benchmarks, this Qwen3 30 billion model also beating DeepSeek V3 and Kimi K2 Instruct model. And also on some of the benchmarks, it has given the same performance like the Claude Sonnet 4 and beating this GPT 4.1. Okay, this Sonnet 4 and this GPT 4.1 are the paid model, but this 30 billion model is also easily beating this GPT 4.1s. And these are the things that I wanted to share with you. So I hope that you got the point that how these open source small models are giving the best performance, and I think you should use it and you should test it. And now there are some ways that you can install it. One way is through this Olama. This is the Qwen3 coder, that link I have given in description, and just click on this Qwen3 coder 30 billion, then this command will be changed to 30 billion, and just copy it and run it on your terminal or command prompt, press enter, it will be installed locally. Another way is through this LM Studio, there also you can do the same thing. So just download this LM Studio and install that model there, and after that go to your client or root and here select this API provider as Olama, and if you are using this LM Studio, then you can use select this LM Studio here. Where is that LM Studio? Here, this one. Okay, and now according to that select the model that you have installed. So I hope that this detailed video explanation was helpful, guys. And one thing is that yesterday also I made a video on this Horizon Alpha. This is the new stealth model that is available on Open Router, and there also I made this video, or there also I taken the same image for generation, and if you see that there also I got this kind of output. This image I have attached here. Okay, so this is cool, right? Because the new models are actually giving the yeah, best performance than the paid models. So please use this model, and if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video, and please watch the other videos also that I have shared on our channel. And bye bye. So see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.